Today, we will demonstrate the installation and usage method of the 60K industrial frequency UPS for you. The entire system consists of 4 parts: power grid, load, battery, UPS. Step 1. Connect the wires corresponding to the input, bypass, output, and battery. Each hole corresponds to an icon of the corresponding letter. Let's finish connecting the wires. All done! Step 2. Turn on the power grid switch. Check the voltage of the power grid. Measure the battery voltage. Step 3. Turn on the bypass switch. The screen lights up. At this point, enter the password. Click the on icon at the bottom left to turn on the device. Turn on the main input switch. Turn on the output switch. Turn on the battery switch. Step 4. Click the off icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to turn off the UPS. Turn off all the switches. UPS has successfully shut down. Thanks for watching.